Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, August the 26th. Okay folks, now you see that the market is correcting, alright, so it may go test the channel's low, it might find support in the Ichimoku cloud, okay, so the stochastics is not very promising yet, so it could, I think it's good possibility that it will come down to test the Ichimoku cloud. As long as it is yellow, that's where you would find support to a possible bounce from there, but it might, if it breaks, then we are looking at the Fibonacci numbers here to be met, and then eventually the trend. Those are important points to see as potential supports. Okay, if it comes all the way down here, then we will be continuing to buy cheap stock, and that's what I'm doing. You remember that I'm doing this every week, adding and adding and adding. Unfortunately, things since the opening, we are now at a loss of $1,390. That's okay, because this is the long term, for the long term, and I want to prove the point that eventually, sooner or later, the market will bounce and go back up. So I'm going to adjust my cash by adding $500. Remember that this is a paper trading account, it's not real money, but it's for demonstration purposes only that I'm doing this, and I'm adding $500 every week and then buying one share of the SPY. Okay, so now we have $620.82 available. Go to the trade tab or the analyze tab and look for SPY, and then says add simulated trades, and I'm gonna click on the ask, and that gives me 100 shares. Of course I only want one, so I click there and substitute the 100 for one, and that's my buy order, and say confirm and send, and that's all there is to it. And I hear the bell, and there it is, the fill. All right, and there we go. Now we have accumulated $28,000 by adding one share of the SPY, and the value of that account of all the shares. In the trade tab, you would see, on the analyze tab, sorry, you would see that we have 68 shares, and the average cost was $430.72. And so as we keep on buying cheaper price, then this average price comes down. Okay, and that actually helps me in the end, in the long term. That's the idea, that's the purpose and procedure of this strategy. Okay, that's all there is to it. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye bye.